Staying connected, building a virtual team ethos. It's important we consider together how we will build a team community whilst working in a smarter working environment. That may mean more virtual interactions. Social activities enable colleagues to relax and be themselves and encourage engagement. By getting to know each other through fun activities, creating team bonds, and creating those water cooler moments, we can build on team-based trust. Here are some of the benefits to the business and to you. Improve communication and break down connection barriers. Improve team engagement and collaboration. Promote innovative idea sharing in a non-formal setting. Ensure new starters have a chance to get to know their colleagues. You may wish to appoint a community champion or organiser to plan your activities, or if you're part of a big team, to set up your team community group. You'll now hear from some of our colleagues about some of the things you may wish to consider.
For me, when we were plunged into enforced remote working, it was important to remember you were being invited into people's homes and needed to understand their individual circumstances. A simple "how are you" became a much deeper question. It was "how are you managing? How are you feeling?" Moving into smarter working and a new hybrid world, I think we need to remember our colleagues will all have different wants and needs, but staying connected as a team is so important. Some of the things that worked well for us as a team was having half an hour set aside to drop in and have a chat at the end of the working week, just checking in how people were feeling and how their week had gone. In Corporate Pillar, we have an initiative called Count Me In, where people who choose to subscribe are randomly paired to have a chat. It's been great to get to know people you wouldn't necessarily otherwise have spoken to, and such a great way for people new to CCS to get to know their colleagues. We also try to have monthly team quizzes and take turns at being quizmaster. These are such a great way to socialise virtually as a team and just to get to know each other better.
Hello, my name is Tracy Wallace-Millian. I'm a Senior Account Manager within the Customer Experience Directorate, and I work in the wider public sector London region team. It's really important for our team to stay connected because we live in different parts around the UK. One way in which we do that is a daily drop-in session. It's not compulsory, but it's a great way to start the day. It's a good way of sharing, supporting and motivating each other. And we talk about all things CCS and non-CCS, from frameworks to family. And here they are.
Hi, this is the London team. We're a fantastic team. We love chatting and working with each other. Every morning we do this, which is a weekly daily call. And we all get together, see how we're doing, see what we're doing, and all share our experiences. And we're all really bonding very, very well, which is why we're such a great team.
We also like to do the big team challenge when it comes around. It's a way of talking to each other more, spurring each other on with fitness goals. And we've got a chat as well for that. Scott?
And then the final bit, really. So for me, coming into the new team, it was great. There's a chat that's available. Everyone's on there, answers quickly. Really great support for anyone new coming into the team and sharing some good practice. So it's a fantastic team to be part of.
Hi, I'm Paul Craven, and I'm Head of OD and Learning here at CCS. One of the things that we learnt and did as part of virtual working and during lockdown is try to work as a team together and build between different sites. So there's 9 people in our team, including myself, and we're based across 3 different locations. That's Liverpool, Norwich and Newport. And the majority of the team are actually based in Liverpool. And we found previously it's quite difficult to kind of build the team as a whole across those 3 locations, with us predominantly being based in Liverpool. And what we found during lockdown is actually these virtual team meetings, and we could bring the team together as one, so we didn't have any borders or any issues between different sites, and we felt one as a team, and we could build and learn together as a team. And we found that a massive advantage during lockdown. It's something we'll continue going forward.
You could also consider things like a virtual team quiz, or monthly wellbeing sessions practicing mindfulness together, or making sure that all colleagues know about EAP and mental health first aiders, or virtual book clubs. What we would ask is that you ensure your events are inclusive and are optional for all colleagues to attend. All events are planned and arranged, ensuring that no CCS policies are breached. That social events do not impact on work output or productivity. And that you have a feedback loop to ensure colleagues can let you know what they enjoyed or not. And most importantly, that all activities and those colleagues that participate in such activities should support the CCS values as the aim of team bonding. Listening to each other, facilitating collaboration, building team-based trust, and colleagues should be respectful to each other at all times. You can read more in the Staying Connected Word Guide for more information.